Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Last night, as you saw, we were at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We are staying for the weekend, so today it's about a little before 11:30, and we have breakfast reservations at Beach Club at Cape May's Cafe. Is that what it's called?
Right.
Yeah, so we're gonna head over. We just parked. We're gonna head inside and have some breakfast.
Yes, let's eat.
Making our way over this bridge. There's like a little waterway. We're gonna head inside. While we wait for breakfast to be ready, we're gonna walk around the resort. And of course, we found the Disney Cruise Line model, and we have the Disney Dream here. Wow.
Love it.
If you want to see actual footage of the ships, especially the Disney Wish, go check out my second channel. It'll be linked at the bottom, or at the end of the video. She refilled her cup in the marketplace.
Yeah.
We got that cool one, so we're kind of just looking around the store, and we love the 50th stuff. I want the monorail. Just sat down for breakfast, buffet style.
Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy. They got pancakes, chocolate chip, or waffles, chocolate chip pancakes, hash browns, crepes. It's gonna be a good breakfast. After a delicious breakfast at Cape May, and a great server, Jeremy, he was amazing.
Yeah, he was
so if you ever go there, ask for him. We made it to Animal Kingdom. It does look like it's gonna torrentially downpour later today.
Yeah.
It's raining back by our house right now in Tampa. So we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom real quick, do some of the rides we wanna do, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel.
Sounds good.
Walking into Animal Kingdom past security, and the crowds don't look too bad. Back at Animal Kingdom, how do you feel?
Really good. I love this park.
Yes, I think we're gonna go do the safari first. Yeah, he's looking at us.
Uh-oh, what's that?
We have spotted a kangaroo laying underneath a leaf. Oh, there's two of them there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow. Hello.
They're so sweet.
YouTube viewers, we found the giant Galapagos tortoise, and he's camera shy.
He's definitely camera
That
shy.
one's on the move. And that one is just staring off into the oblivion. Ooh.
Look up here. That's there.
All right, first ride of the day, Kilimanjaro Safari, 5-minute wait.
Some very bumpy roads today. Now the first section of the reserve will be visits they are very rarely seen. They use their backward-shaped horns to help navigate their way. Is going to be an okapi. Now, many people think that the okapi is related to the 3,000 pounds. It is sadly due to poaching, there are only about 5,000. Hippos are nocturnal animals, so they'll sleep during the day and only most active at night, up to 8 minutes at a time. When they need air, their body is tall, about 18 to 20 feet long, and they can also weigh up to about 500. There are going to be a few Maasai giraffes, as well as a few Ankoli cattle, cool during the day. Ankoli cattle are 1.5 in length. Helps them reach those really high up tree branches. Giraffes also have 4 stomachs, so they spend most of the day eating to fill those stomachs. So we'll keep heading forward to see what we can find. And also over on the left-hand side, can weigh up to 100 pounds. Mandrills also have little pockets in their mouths, which allow them. Now, elephants are a matriarchal society, which means, of course, that the females are in charge. At adulthood, that they eat, which is high in beta-carotene. They don't get that pink coloring until why. Now the ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. They happen to see 6 times better. and the padded paws that lions have on their feet help them, which is considered to be of high value in nutrition. Their smaller size.
We just got off the safari, but as you can see, it's starting to get gray over there. We have a lot of rain heading in, so we're gonna try and do Everest real quick.
Right, definitely try to get that out.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and do Everest real quick, and then if it's raining, we might just go back to the hotel. So we'll kind of see what happens.
Yeah, or ride dinosaur.
Yeah, so we'll kind of see.
We did that.
All right, so we were gonna go do Everest, but it is now raining. It's still going, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll figure it out.
Look how fast they're going. Yep, it's raining. Missed it. What a fun day at Animal Kingdom. Woo! Nice downpour. Classic summer in Florida. To Restaurantosaurus just to maybe get a drink and use the bathroom, because as you can clearly see, we are in the midst of not a thunderstorm, but a very heavy rainfall, but the rides are still going. Gotta love it. See, it's raining. We're heading over to Dinosaur now. Not the ride, but the restaurant, like I said, just to kind of get out of the rain because it's raining.
Yeah.
We're inside Restaurantosaurus now. I think Rachel's just gonna get a soda for herself, just to kind of stay out of the rain for right now. The rain stopped for a minute, and then it started again. I'll kind of show you that's what hit us. That's what's coming our way. So we're gonna hang out here and eat this, and we probably just head back to the hotel, right?
Probably, yeah.
Sorry, it's all blurry, but you get the idea. So we're just sitting in Restaurantosaurus right now. We just finished a quick snack. We came out to see the crocodile real quick. And it's still raining. Look at that thing. Oh my God.
She loves it.
Drinking some water. We've made our way out of the park because, as you can see, all that gray is heading right for us. This storm just passed by, and this one's coming in. So we're gonna head back to the hotel and kind of just hang out there for a little bit until it rains, and then we might go resort hop on the monorail or something. Before we head back to the hotel, we just want to show you the Halloween pins we got at Animal Kingdom for the party that we went to last night. Pretty cool. How do you feel about that?
Good. I've never seen it before, so I'm glad we found them.
Yes. And that storm is coming in. Gotta go. Hey, we just got back to the hotel. We saw a huge bolt of lightning and very loud thunder as we were pulling in, so it's a good thing we left.
Coming in.
Yeah, it's definitely coming in. So we're just gonna hang out in the room for now and try and let it pass for the most part.
And dry off.
And dry off because we're soaking wet. And then we'll, figure out what we're gonna do from there.
Yeah.
We just saw another flash. Let's see if we can get the thunder. Come on. Yep, coming in, gotta go. So before the rain comes, we're just gonna walk around the resort a little bit. It's kind of cool, it's like a Broadway show entrance. And that's where we parked our car over there. And this is the building we're staying in, just down through there on the first floor. So we're just gonna walk around real quick before the rain comes in. This is the piano pool right by our room. So that's kind of nice. If it's not raining later and the pool's open, we're gonna go to it. They're open till 10. You can see the hours. They're open till 10. Whether or not it's raining is a different story, but we'll kind of see as the day goes on. We just walked around. I say walked around, we didn't really do much, but that's our room right there. Right there. So we're gonna head inside and kind of wait for this rain to pass. Oh yeah. She's rumbling. All right, after spending a little bit of time in the room, we're gonna head over to the Magic Kingdom and do maybe the monorail loop, and we're gonna go into the park, and she wants to get some Crocs. So we're just gonna hang out around the monorail resort area.
Yes.
Star 411, star 411, lower your head, watch your step.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet active. Hide while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Folks, until 11 p.m., 11 o'clock, with continuous tram service for 1.5 hour after park closure. Trams will be operating until 12:30 a.m.
Made it through security. We're gonna hop on the express monorail, do all the Magic Kingdom stuff first, and then we're gonna resort hop. Inside Magic Kingdom now, walking down Main Street. Rachel got her new Crocs. She's even wearing them.
Yes.
So now we're just gonna maybe do the people mover, grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna hop around the resorts. Cavalcade, we're gonna head into Tomorrowland.
Yes, people mover.
Yes, very excited.
Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny orange.
Just got off the people mover, and now we are mobile ordering at Pinocchio to grab a quick bite to eat. We picked up our food at Pinocchio's Village. Cheese flatbread, marinara sauce, breadsticks, some ranch, a couple of waters.
Yeah, so
We're gonna
hungry.
eat and enjoy. Making our way out of the Magic Kingdom, we're gonna head over to the Contemporary. Exits this way. Next stop, Contemporary. Hopefully the monorail shows up soon.
Sorry. And then so like he goes on his way, we go on our way, and we walk over 30 seconds, and I was like, that was Jonathan! And she's gonna get a joke. I didn't realize it was him though, and I've never seen him again since, and he's gone. He's like
just made it to the Contemporary. I went to the bathroom. Rachel's just getting a drink over at the Contempo Cafe. So we're just gonna sit here for a little bit, do some people watching, and then we'll head back to the hotel.
Thank you and welcome aboard.
All the number ones are better than any of the. That's true. Incredibles 2. Incredible 1. It didn't set the bar. It's just like Cars either. Cars is like.
I'm just so
Wait a minute. We discussed this. Right.
You have no cars on here yet.
Yes.
Captain Hook, we are going.
Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise.
Good evening, everybody. This is our villain courtesy tram. We are only stopping at Scar and Captain Hook, which means don't be going over 50 miles per hour. Don't be driving the speed of 25